I'm Kamen Kutzarov. I'm the new foot and ankle orthopedic surgeon at Texas Orthopedics. Some of the biggest advancements in foot and ankle surgery are the trend towards minimally invasive surgery. We can do the same surgeries through much smaller incisions, which is a tremendous benefit to patients. In addition, total ankle replacements have come a long way, and we can reliably take away patients' pain and give them many years of high-level activity on their ankles. One of the most rewarding parts of being a foot and ankle surgeon is the variety of patients and different treatments that I can provide for those patients. On a given day, I can see a high school athlete, a middle-aged office worker trying to get back in shape, or a senior citizen that just wants to be able to walk a few more blocks with ankle arthritis. The foot and ankle make up this really incredible appendage of your body. Part of the reason why I'm so passionate about foot and ankle is that when it does fail, I have the tools and the abilities to restore it and let people get back to what they want to do.
For more information or to schedule an appointment online, go to txortho.com.